Hi, we are going to show how to set up the cryotherapy chamber in this video. There are all the accessories we will use. Let's install the pump head of liquid nitrogen tank. Just screw the connector tightly. This is the wrench we matched with. Here shows how to use the wrench. Adjust the wrench to hold the screw firmly and tighten it. Now it is finished. Let's install the tube that connects with chamber body. Just plug in the tube. This is the fixed bracket of pump head. Just tighten the screws. Two fixed bracket to hold the pump head. Let's show how to hold the pump head. Then we connect the tube with chamber body. For this plastic tube, we just plug in it. For the other tubes, we need to tighten the screws. Yes, we still need to use the wrench to tighten it. Now let's connect the scale with chamber body. The connector holes have the numbers 1 to 5. Match the numbers and then plug it in and tighten it. The scale is to measure the nitrogen weight. You can see it from the panel later. Now the connector connects well. This is the power cable of the chamber. This connector have the numbers 1 to 3. Same installation. Plug in it and tighten the screws. Let's plug in the power cord to see if it is workable. Turn on the power button. The shining notice means no nitrogen now. Let's put the nitrogen tank on the scale. The nitrogen tank bottoms have 3 wheels. Make sure all 3 wheels on the scale. Now let's connect the pump head with the tank. Remember to wear the cold-proof gloves. Put the pump head into the tank, then tighten it. We can see the nitrogen weight from the panel. We can set up the parameters based on our needs. The output time means the gas output time you want to cool. Pump on or off time would affect the user feelings. If you want to feel very cold, adjust the pump on time longer and pump off time shorter. Now we can start pre-cooling. Usually the pre-cooling just needs about 15 seconds. Then we can open the magnetic door and enter the chamber. Both inside and outside persons can open the door. Usually the cryotherapy is about 2 to 3 minutes. Please ensure that the user's head is exposed outside the chamber. There have the adjust base to adjust the height. If you feel uncomfortable during the cryotherapy, just open the door and walk out. When the time's up, the base will automatically descend. Now we can open the door. That is all the steps for the cryotherapy. Thanks for watching.